Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create worksheets on the Canva application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, go to your home page and then click on the More button at the top. Then you should scroll down until you find the worksheets section and tap on see all to see all of the available templates. Scroll down and then choose the relevant one that suits your preferences the most. Then once it is loaded, you should tap on the title or any of the text items or data and delete it and start typing in your text to customize your worksheet. Here you can change the font size, the color, the format. You can change the borders as well as the table spacing, the font. You can change the design too if you would like to, and you can edit the style of it by using the color palettes. You can add elements such as graphics, line shapes, stickers, photos, and basically anything from this section. So if you are done, tap on this download button at the top of the screen to save your image. And once it is prepared, you can also print it out if you have a device connected. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.